First we extract this zip file. That time this zip file you uploaded, and when we extracted we got we got this. So now you come to your folder and open this one. So on this part, what you do here is you look for dp.php. So you look for dp. You look for this. You don't even need to look for it much. So my previous client that bought the script for the company have not seen this, but because they had not followed the step as supposed, just take your time and watch this video carefully, all the videos or the materials into it, and follow the step. I'm going to launch your VTU website in no time. So you look for this. This is the file we are looking for, so we have seen it now. You highlight it and you edit the file. So you edit the file. So before we come here, let's do something just to avoid story that touches that. So copy the name of your database. So mine is VS Data. So copy the main name, not your user. So in this part, from when you edited this dp.php, come here. This part now, you're going to see some default database username and password, which you have to change that in two places, I guess. This place and this place, you have to change them to calculate with your own database. So first one is the database name.
ITK Store is an online digital marketplace to sell and buy downloadable digital products at an affordable price or completely free. Visit today at
So I input the name of my database. Input your database name correctly. And the name of the user that has full privilege to your database in the second part. So now was test admin that time. So test admin. And now to the last one is password. So the password you give the database. Password you give to the database. So I'm coming. So here you have your database name, your username, and your password. So these are the three things you must change. You can leave this like that, but for this, your username, your database name, username, and password. The next other part is this part also. Change the one for this private user. And the one for this one, your password. And the database name. So the database name was VS Data. Whatever you name your database. Okay. So you save your changes. Success. So after saving your changes, you come back to your file manager and rename this folder. So look at the folder here, you highlight it and you rename. So me, I am renaming it to Domo. Demo. Okay, Domo. Success, that's been renamed to Demo.